Hi everybody, it's Neil, and I have this Ender 3 3D printer, and every time I want to print some of these little devices for it, it always to hook up to the printer, like printer parts, using the printer to print printing parts. It always wants these little T-slot adapter thingies, and that's what this comes with. So this here's a little set of, I don't know, Sutemribor is the brand, and it's got all these little ones here for like the M5, M3, and M4 little T pieces. And if you look at them, there's little pieces that go into the slots, and then it kind of turns sideways as you screw them tight, so it lets you screw stuff into things with holes in them. And it was a cool little set. So if you got a 3D printer and you want to print parts for it and stuff like that to do, you're probably going to need to pick this up. It was ridiculously cheap, like $10 or something. So pick up a set of these. I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can get some. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with different reviews soon.